Hi all. Our today's special is Karam Dosa. Full name is Kadappa Karam Dosa. It's Andhra Pradesh style masala dosa. We use two type of special masala for this. First one is chili masala. For that we will soak 10 red chilies for about 20 minutes. We use hot water to soak it quick. If we use 12 clean chilies for soaking, we could use the same water to grind it. Now we will grind those soaked red chilies with 2 medium onions, 2-3 garlic cloves, salt and some water. You may think it's too spicy chutney, right? But remember, we are following authentic Andhra recipe, and they love spicy food. We always guide you to the authentic taste. But this dosa is really much tasty. It's a personal guarantee. Now we will make out next chutney. It's called Bombay chutney. For that, take 2 tablespoon gram flour or besan flour. We will add enough water and little salt to make a loose batter without lumps. Keep it aside. Now in a pan, heat a teaspoon oil. Now add a teaspoon mustard seeds. When it starts to spurts, add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Next curry leaves, sauce it for a few seconds. Now you can add chopped onion and green chilies and let's saute it for some time, till onion become translucent. Next we will add chopped tomatoes. And a teaspoon chili powder and some water. We will cook it closed. Okay, everything cooked well. Now we will add the batter we made. Let it boil and stir continuously. If you wish you could make it little thick. Okay, our main masalas are ready. Hope now you got why this masala dosa is special, right? Yes. This masala dosa doesn't add any potatoes. Usually we all familiar with masala dosa with potato masala inside. But this variety doesn't need potato. Okay, now we will make a simple gunpowder. We make a smooth powder with 1/4 cup roasted gram, 2 cloves of garlic and some salt. Okay, everything is ready. Let's make dosa. Heat tawa. Pour some dosa batter and spread it round and thin as possible. Pour some ghee or oil over the dosa to make it crisp. Now we'll first spread chili chutney or Bombay chutney. Here we start with Bombay chutney. Next we will spread some chili chutney. Sprinkle some gunpowder over it. Fold the way you wish. I used a special way to fold it as it's a special masala dosa. Okay, our special Karam Dosa is ready. Leave your comments below. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do it. It's our motivation to do more. So, we will meet again in next video. Till then, take care again in next.